The moment you rely entirely on YouTube AdSense to pay your bills, you have handed over the keys to your financial freedom to an automated algorithm that doesn't care about your survival. Every single day, thousands of creators find their channels demonetized. The truth that the top 1% of digital operators will never admit on camera is that YouTube is not their destination. It is merely a free traffic source. Today, I am pulling back the curtain on the Audience Arbitrage Loop, the hidden architectural system that converts views into wealth. To understand why your current strategy is failing, you have to look at the structural mathematics of the digital economy. When you post a standard video, you are renting attention. You pay the platform with your time and effort while they own the data. If the platform alters its distribution criteria tomorrow, your income drops to zero overnight. Elite creators don't play this rigged game. They treat every impression as a window of opportunity to pull the user completely out of the public feed and into a private, sovereign database. This internal loop operates through a psychological mechanic known as the curiosity vault. Amateurs try to sell or pitch things directly inside the timeline, which immediately breaks the retention graph and causes viewers to drop off. Insiders do the exact opposite. They deliver high-density, raw value. For the first 80% of the content, building absolute cognitive authority. Then, instead of a standard conclusion, they introduce an elite, unreleased operational blueprint that solves the viewer's exact structural bottleneck. To access it, the viewer must leave the public platform and enter a clean, isolated validation sequence. This is where the automation layer completely replaces manual marketing. By connecting highly structured prompt workflows inside visual environments like Claude Code directly to data collection funnels, the entire user transition happens on complete autopilot. The user submits a single phrase in your comment section, triggering a backend script that instantly verifies the entry, processes the digital request, and delivers a premium technical framework straight to their sovereign dashboard. You are not manually managing leads. You are constructing an autonomous digital filter that separates casual viewers from high-intent premium assets. The economics of owning your audience data are completely lopsided. A channel relying solely on video views requires millions of broad impressions just to sustain a basic infrastructure. But when you transition that same attention into a private data network, the monetization parameters change completely. You no longer need mass virality. A highly concentrated database of just 5,000 professional operators allows you to deploy direct backend licensing, structural software recommendations, and premium operational audits. You capture the absolute maximum profit margin per user, completely bypassing third-party platform cuts and ad network limitations. The structural window to establish this level of data sovereignty is closing rapidly. As public video platforms become increasingly flooded with generic, commoditized AI clips, user trust in standard video descriptions is collapsing. The creators who win the next decade are those who anchor their digital personas around unshakable, system-driven authority and pull their communities into protected infrastructures. If you are ready to stop renting your business from an algorithm and want the exact automated prompt sheet I use to configure independent arbitrage loops, comment the word loop below. The backend infrastructure will deliver it straight to your dashboard. But remember, we are building this network as an elite collective intelligence, and I am committed to giving you the raw operational execution steps. If this deep dive exposed the hidden flaws in your current digital strategy, take a single second to hit that subscribe button and join Milas Wealth Lab family. Activate the notification bell because in our very next session, I am pulling back the curtain on the exact multi-agent script that automates this entire validation sequence from scratch. If you know another digital creator who is currently putting all their eggs in the AdSense basket, share this structural breakdown with them right now. Let's help them protect their intellectual property before the next algorithm update hits. Drop a like, leave your core thoughts in the comments below, and, as always, stop watching the economy change from the sidelines. Go build your sovereign infrastructure. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.